In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload your Laravel project to the GitHub repository. So first of all, let's go and create a GitHub repository. So once you log into your GitHub, you will see this option, new option. So I'll click on this new option. Then here you need to give a name for your repository. So let's give a name. Let's say here Laravel underscore econ. After that, make it public and add a review file. Then here you will see a button called create repository. So we need to click on this button, and also click on that button, it will take you to this page. It means our repository is created. So right now we are going to upload our Laravel project over here. So in order to upload the Laravel project, you must have Git installed in your device. So what is Git? Let me just show you. If you just search here Git download, then here you can see this is the Git that you need to install. I already have Git installed in my device, but if you do not have this installed, you need to install it from here. The installation process is really simple. So once you have Git installed, what you need to do is that you need to go to your project directory. So this is my project that I want to upload. Then after going to the project directory, I just need to right click here, then click on show more option, and if you have Git installed, it will show you this option, open Git page here. So I'll just click on it and it will open something like this. Let me just make it bigger. So here you can see it is showing me the project location F e-commerce pro, which is basically this one. Here you can see F e-commerce pro. So first of all, in this project location, we need to write this command, which is git init, then press enter. So it will initialize Git in our project location. After that, we need to say git add space, then a dot, then press enter. Then you'll see something like this, and it may take some time depending on your project size. So I'll just fast forward the video. It may take like 30 seconds or maybe 5 minutes. And there you can see it is done. So after this, we need to write this command, which is git commit -m. It means message. So we need to give a message that whatever update we are making. So we are uploading a project. So let's say here uploading the project first time. Let's say you can give any message you want here, but before that you must say git commit -m, and you must need to give this message. So after this, you just need to press enter, and there you can see that command is done. After this, what you need to do, we need to set here git remote at origin. So right now what you need to do is we need to mention the repository location. So we'll go back to our GitHub repository, and here if we now click on this port button, then you will see this link. So we just need to copy this, and after copying this, we need to go back to the git bash, and then we need to paste it here. There you can see I just paste it here. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. There you can see. So after this, we just need to press enter. So you need to write git remote at origin and your repository location in the GitHub. Then just press enter. So it is done. So right now we are going to write a command so that our project, this project is uploaded to our GitHub. So for it, we are going to write here git push -u origin master, and here you can see it is written over here master, and there is no branch called master here, so it will create a branch for us. So that's why we are saying git push -u origin master. So if it's written here main, then you need to say here main. So I'm just going to press enter, and this will upload our project to the Git repository. There you can see, and 100% is complete. So right now there you can see master had recent pushes 3 seconds ago, and right now if we just refresh here, there you can see we have one more branch here. If I now click on this master branch, there you go, we have the project over here, and the message that we give after doing the project first time is written here. So we are able to successfully upload our Laravel project to our GitHub. So I hope this tutorial was easy for you to follow. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.